In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your hosting a password in 2024. Whether you've forgotten your current password or simply feel the need to enhance your account security, updating your password periodically is a smart move. I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring it's a smooth and easy experience. First, let's head over to the Hostinger website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Hostinger URL, or simply click on the link provided in the description below this video. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to look for the login button. This is usually located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and you'll be directed to the login page. After reaching the login screen, it's time to access your Hostinger account. If you're already logged in from a previous session, you might be automatically directed to your home dashboard. If not, enter your email and password to access your account. Once you're on the home screen of your Hostinger account, the next thing we'll do is head over to your profile settings. To do this, locate the profile section. You'll usually find this in the top right corner of the page, represented by either your profile picture or an icon resembling a user. Click on the profile link to proceed. Within the profile section, you will see various options about your account. What we're interested in today is the account information. Select this option to move forward. Is where all the details regarding your Hostinger account are held, including the settings for your password. Now you will see an option labeled Add Password. This is what you'll click to change or reset your password. If you've forgotten your password, Hostinger may prompt you to update it through the email linked to your account. Follow any additional instructions you receive in your email to continue. When adding a new password, make sure it's something strong and secure. A good tip is to use a mix of uppercase, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance your password's strength. Try to avoid easily guessed passwords like 1356 or password. Once you've decided on a secure new password, enter it in the provided fields. Most sites will ask you to input it twice to confirm that there are no typing errors. After you've filled in your new password, save the changes. And that's it, you have successfully reset your Hostinger password. You can now use this new password whenever you log into your account. Remember, keeping your passwords updated and choosing strong ones are essential steps in protecting your online identity and your personal data. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tech tips and guides.